Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theCeesoflife.com. And like the other day, I posted in my IG stories, right, that work on your side hustle until it becomes your main hustle. Now, the reason why I posted that is because that's exactly how I'm going about this online business. It's like I'm plugging away little by little. You know, as I'm getting feedback is coming in. 2 more people downloaded the ebook, so we're up to 74 downloads now, which is awesome. And I got some feedback with the day one, with like the day ones. People are still on week 1. There are a couple of people that are on week 2. Some people just still asking some questions about the ebook. I would suggest you join the Facebook community. That's where I'll be able to answer all of your questions, because you know, it's less selfish that way. I can answer them and people can see the frequently asked questions. So join the Facebook community if you do have any questions regarding the ebook. And yeah, so bit by bit, little by little, I'm currently recording some new content for this new ebook that I'm about to publish. So August is going to be a jam-packed month. I'm just going to plug away little by little, bit by bit, until it goes. Somebody also asked me how much revenue I've seen so far. You know, I have to, based on all the affiliate sites that I'm currently signed up with, I got to do all that adding and everything. I try not to focus on the number. I just want to focus on the action. So I'm going to do all of the calculations and then report it to you once I get that figure. All right, I'm going to just tell you exactly the start date and how much I've generated online so far. All right, Saturday night right here. In the bean, I'm going to end this video pretty short and get to eating dinner and, you know, sitting on the couch and watching some TV, a movie with wifey, you know, team washed up. So if you're washed up like me, hashtag washed gang in the comments. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and holla at me. Peace.